it didn't work immediately. The arm things are really weird. I don't really like this. Hold on. This is more difficult than I thought. And I lost count, but I lost count again. I can't do this. I can't think of what I want to talk about. But I would choose a yellow shirt because there's yellow walls and I'm just gonna like, maybe you just see my head floating around. I don't know. You know what? I think I'm over this. I don't think I want to exercise right now. I think I'm done. I'm just done. That was fun, but I'm too distracted right now. Oh. Yeah, so speaking of distractions, there's that speck of dust in my camera that shows up in all my pictures and all my videos. And I'm gonna try to take that out. I tried once before. I ordered the kit to open up my iPhone and get that dust out, but I didn't get it all the way out, and then I put it back together and I didn't feel like taking it apart again. But my battery has gotten to the point where it's just like I can't do anything without constantly charging it. So iFixit.com has a battery for iPhone 5S for $20, and it comes with the kit to open up the phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Here's a view of my apartments. Aren't they colorful? I really like living here. Let's see. Later on, I'm gonna have a couple of how-to videos, and I'm gonna do a lot more time lapses. I have some work to do on my car. I'll probably get videos of that. There's my car in the background, the green one. If you've never seen it, I don't know if I pointed at it. I can't tell. I'm gonna make some videos of the dogs and the cats that I live with. So I'm headed to one of my favorite spots near my place called Quickie Picky. I think there's 2 locations in town, and I'm just gonna go use the internet because I'm like that. Oh, hang on, I want to show you this place that I really like. Yeah, so right here coming up is a truck in the way. Spray TX. Oh man, I didn't get that. Let me try that again. Let's try that again. We don't give up. We don't give up. Spray TX, Spray TX. It's like a art supply store slash an art supply store slash gallery. Really enjoy the place. You gotta follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna definitely put that somewhere in the video. So I want to shout out to my buddy Chris for giving me this jersey here. I walked up to the counter at Quickie Picky. The guy addressed me in Spanish. That never happens. He goes, "Dime." And I was like, "Did you say dime?" He's like, "Yeah, you understand Spanish?" I was like, "Yeah." I didn't realize why he said that until I realized that I'm wearing a Mexican jersey. I've cracked the code. Now I know how to look more Mexican. So last time we made a video, last time or two, we went through a cemetery, but we didn't have a lot of time to kind of explore it. I'm gonna go through the Texas State Cemetery here. It's totally illegal for me to be using my phone and riding my bike at the same time. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I guess that's it. I can't think of anything else right now, and it's really hot outside. I've got a hibiscus tea, and I'm gonna edit this up at Brew and Brew and use their internet. So next time I'll come up with something hopefully more interesting. We'll skip the gym. I'll skip the gym. I'll be skipping the gym.